know if you heard that on acceleration, but I think I blew my exhaust off. So I've driven the XJ roughly 60 miles, 65 miles to work quite a few times. It was my daily for quite some time. It's not anymore. I'm fortunate enough to let it sit and just drive it when I want to now. But today we're taking her probably 120 miles away one way, and we'll see how she does. I'm pretty confident in it, but you never know. And I don't have air conditioning. So yeah, for 2 days now I've been trying to decide on to take it or not. So we're doing it. We're just off, just left the house. Gonna gas up, fuel up, get some energy drinks, and hit the road. I don't think I've even showed y'all the Jeep since I put the 2-inch lift on it. I don't know if I have or not, but I've actually decided, you know, I've wanted to go up to 4.5 inch on 31s. But I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm going to keep it maybe around 3. And because I don't know, it's just the higher you go, the more problems you're going to have with it. And I don't want that. You know, I like driving it daily. This isn't my mud rig. You know, I hit a few trails here and there. But I didn't buy it to tear it up. So I want to keep it with a little bit of a lift on it. But yeah, I'm fairly happy with it the way it sits right now. Once I get to the station, I'll show you guys. I get a lot of compliments. I get a lot of compliments on it. And I've actually had one dad offer to buy it because his kid, he's roughly 12 or so. This 12-year-old wants a classic Cherokee for his first car, which I thought was pretty damn cool. So yeah, he offered to buy it, and I was like, no. I just got it not too long ago, you know, less than a year ago, and it's not for sale right now. It's fun to drive, and I don't know, I'm gonna hang on to it for a while. I went to the scrapyard, or the pick apart, the other day, and I found a couple of 4.0s, so I'm excited about that. You pick an engine there for roughly $300 to $400. So I think I'm gonna grab a couple buddies one of these weekends and go get that 4.0 block. I'm gonna start rebuilding one to drop back into this. So that'll be in maybe next year. Maybe next year I'll have that done. She is lifted. Rubicon Express 2.5 inch Adeleafs and 2-inch pucks from Supreme Suspension. Now if I can get these taken care of, and that. figured something was gonna happen. But I'm stopping off at this truck stop right now to check it out. So I'm not gonna lie, that's the first time I ever accelerated that fast with this. So I don't know. It's a new exhaust clamp, but I couldn't get it tight. I don't have deep wells with me, so I put it back on. It's used a wire hanger to keep it on, because I don't have room for the fucking actual exhaust in here, so oh well. We made it just in time. Let's go inside of here.
A few moments later.
So my appointment's over. Literally, it is 10 after. Appointment was at 12. So I get to make the 2-hour drive back. It's kind of frustrating. Well, let's go. Well, we have made it. Made it home. Did great. My gauges, constant 40 oil pressure. I was under 210 the whole time on the temperature, and that's just with the clutch fan. I don't have an electric fan. I got it without one. I never bought one. Did good. I feel a little more confident now, taking her on long trips, taking her on longer trips than what I usually do. So, yeah, I was confident in first place, but this just validates it. So, I'll be driving her this summer to a few distant trails. So, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.